Halo bosku, welcome back lagi bareng aku Reynaldi di channel Reynaldi arrasyid. Di video kali ini aku bakal ngajarin kalian tutorial bagaimana caranya untuk membuat intro seperti Budi01 gaming. Tapi sebelum kita ke tutorialnya, alangkah baiknya yang belum klik tombol subscribe di bawah diklik dulu guys, karena semua itu gratis. Dan pastikan juga kalian sudah like dulu video ini dan juga share juga ya guys, agar teman-teman kalian atau sahabat kalian tahu bagaimana caranya untuk membuat intro seperti Budi01 gaming. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama langsung saja kita ke tutorialnya dan subscribe dulu guys.
Dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. So we hit the dance floor, body on mine, want a little bit more. Shawty, you fine, build a little rapport, and we lose track of time, we don't care anymore. Yeah, feel the beat right now. Dance all alone in the middle of a crowd, drinking alcohol like we in another drought. Like LMFAO, taking shots right now. Shots, 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 shots. She's so hot, 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 hot. And then I got caught looking at her hot bod. I just wanna hop on, dance till the night's gone. Can't stop us, no, we don't take it slow. We put on a show, she gets real low. Drinks start to flow, we keep in the zone. We won't leave alone, we don't sleep at all. To dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again.